Let's say you want to start a startup and you decided to build a website so that anybody who wants to use your services can log into that website and avail that. But you need servers to host that website, and those servers should run 24 by 7 so that it is available always, and they should keep all your backend and front end files. So you have your server which will keep your website, which have some front end files and backend files. So this is your server, and this server have some public IP address, and let's say these are some individual nodes in the world which make request to this uh, server to get into your website. So all those files will be fetched from here into your client's machine, and the website will be displayed here in this your client's machine, right? Similarly, this is another machine which will request the services, and it will see the UI in their machine, right? So every node in this world will connect to your server using this public IP address. And so how to make this server? How to choose your server? You can make your own PC as a server of your website, but that is not feasible, right? Because your PC won't be able to bear the huge traffic load, and you can't keep your PC running 24 by 7. So we need something called data centers. So data center is nothing but you rent or buy a place, and you install all your necessary hardwares, all the necessary machines that you want, and those machines will serve all the traffic to your website, and you need to maintain them. So you get some overhead when you build your data centers. You need to do their maintenance, because some machine may stop working, or um, some damage may have happened. So and you have to keep upgrading your hardware specs, because in the future your current hardware may not be that powerful, right? So you have to keep on upgrading your hardware so that performance of your servers uh, keep on improving every day. Also, you require multiple nodes, right? Multiple nodes for servers, because a single node can't handle all the traffic load, right? So you need multiple nodes, uh, so that some traffic is coming, then some traffic can be diverted to this node 1, some traffic can be diverted to this node 2, and some traffic can be diverted to node 3. So this is something called horizontal scaling. So you increase number of nodes, and you divert your traffic, you distribute your traffic among those nodes. So instead of having single node to serve all the traffic, you have multiple nodes, so that will improve your performance. And in future, uh, when your website grow, when your startup grow, you may require multiple data centers, because let's say your number of users are increasing, and your website is becoming famous across the world. Then users which are very far away from the data centers, they may face the issue of latency, right? So latency means delay. So if your data center is very far away from the user, they'll face high delay, high latency. So you would like to place multiple data centers in multiple regions across the world. So now you can see there is a very big overhead in building a startup from the initial days only. And you can escape it by using cloud computing. So cloud computing came here to rescue you from all of these overheads. So there are vendors like AWS, Azure, and GCP. So we have vendors like AWS, Azure, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform. What they do is that they manages data centers for you. You can rent the hardware from their data centers, and you can pay them as long as you are using their services. They provide variety of services, uh, from hosting your website to um, just putting your or using it as a using it as for your personal vault to store something, right? So there are many services that we will talk about later. And the major advantage is that you can upscale or downscale your hardware anytime with some single clicks on UI. And since you are renting their services, you can use them as long as you want, and you can release them anytime you want. And you get the bill at the end, which you have to pay based on your consumption. So in this course, we will uh, study AWS only, because this is the most famous and most widely used cloud computing technology.